Do you want to learn how to get alerts like this on your Kick stream? Stay tuned for the tutorial on how to get customized alerts on Botrix. Alright, the first thing is you're going to go botrix.live and you're going to come and see this page. Now Botrix is in beta and everything, so they're always working on new features and stuff behind the scenes and adding them pretty much consistently and everything. So when you get to Botrix and everything, you're going to see this page and everything, and it's going to tell you what they have, and you're going to want to sign into any one of these. It'll bring you into the Kick system once you sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in right now. Alright, so once you do log into Botrix, it's going to bring you this page immediately. You do not have to pay the $2.49 for the premium version, which they do have. You read this on your own time. Decide if you want to become a premium member for $2.49 or not. I'm not myself, do not pay for $2.49 for any of this at this current time. So once you are on Botrix, I signed in with Twitch. So once you are on here, you're going to want to go down here and make sure you hit the Kick settings, and it'll switch you over to Kick, as you can see right here. Okay, so Botrix is an amazing platform which allows you to add your alerts into the Kick streaming platform. So you're going to see subscription, gift subs, followers, raid, tips, and kicks. So then we're under subscriptions. You're going to have this like check. You could have like your styles, default Botrix, provision, how it looks and everything, duration, it's seconds here. It's a different language, but it is seconds. Different animations. You have a whole list of animations on how you want to do it. This is where the alerts are going to be. You're going to have an image. You can find your image or upload an image right here. Same thing with sound. Look for a sound or upload a sound. And then you have the volume, how loud you want it. Mine's at 30%. You can customize color, text, and the bottom text. Mine is pretty much set to default. Typography, you have a whole bunch of typography here, kind of. I just left it as is. You have your text height, which is mine is just at 0. I've not really played with any of this. Text animation, wiggle, font size is at 32. Text description, just left it as is. Appearance of the text, I just again left it as is. And then if you know how to code, go ahead and hit this and hit yes, I know how to code. Knowing this, do you want to activate the advance? You can say yes or no. I don't know why they have forks here. For my case, I'm not going to do it, but this is how you activate the code. So this is how you do subscriptions, and it's going to be the same thing for everything on Botrix and so forth. But again, everything's going to be here on just how you go about it and everything. But once you have every alert set up to your way, you're going to want to come up here to URL widget. Go ahead and copy that. Okay? And then what you're going to want to do is simply come over to your OBS, and you're just going to go ahead and hit the little plus, come down to browser right here, and then you're just going to say this. I'm just going to call it test. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and then from here you're just going to delete that and put that URL right here. You could mess with the width and the height if you choose to do so. Do your own custom stuff here. And then you're just really going to hit OK. And then you're going to have your little browser source right up here. And at the moment, you won't see that because it's not live at the moment. But that is how you go about and adding alerts to OBS for your live streams. This is how you add alerts into Kick streams and on your OBS and everything. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button if you want to know the latest news. Stay up to date with Kick, new Kick features, tutorials, and so much more.